Yeah. Hey guys, I can't hear. What's your numbers, please?
3 negative, 3 and negative 8.
3 and negative 8, good. Cody, back to you, please. What do I do with the 3 and the negative 8?
12x squared is 3.
Yeah.
3. And then minus 8x minus 2.
Okay, good. Now, there's one thing I'm just going to stress here. You could have switched them, that'd be fine. Now, there will be someone in the class, let's call him Leo. Okay, it's going to try and take out a 12x here. Why is that going to be incorrect? Just hold on a sec. Why is that incorrect? Very good. Okay, so what you should just do when the first number is bigger, just say to yourself, what goes into 3 and 12 both? What number goes into both 3 and 12? 3. 3. Okay. So I'm going to just take out a 3 right there. What will be left inside the brackets then? Go ahead.
A 4x plus 1.
4x plus 1. Okay. Thomas, I want you to be brave. Negative 2 and negative 8, what's common between both of those, please?
2.
Yeah, I'm going to call it negative 2, not 2, right? Because they're both minuses. Okay, Thomas, you're not quite done. If I divide them both by negative 2, what am I left with, please?
4.
Yeah, 4x. And negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. Now, I'm not sure if you guys know this, but Thomas has a 99.1 in this course, which is pretty darn good. So that's right. Callan, why else is that right? The brackets have to match up, okay? And we're sure they were because I'm a math teacher and we went through it, and because Thomas is a 99.2. But also, you should just make sure that that actually happens. Callan, what's my next step, please?
3x minus 2.
Yeah. Yeah, and this is what Jake was saying. He got to here in a different way, and that's fine, right? We're working the same thing from here down there. Okay. Okay, how we doing? Yeah.
Step before, like I got what you got now, but like step before, you got 3x and then in brackets 4 plus x.
4 plus x.
Yeah, it's not 4x plus 1, but I
think
the same step after that.
I'm not sure what happened. I'll take a look after. Something that's funny must have happened. All right, Luke. Do you want Luke or Lucas, by the way? Luke is who you are now. Luke, next step here is going to be what? Yeah. Okay, you want to do the left one for me?
3x minus 2 equals 0.
Yeah.
3x equals 2.
Yeah.
X equals 2.
Oh, that's great. Excellent. Good. Great. Tremendous. Holly, can you do the right bracket for me, please?
4x plus 1.
Yeah.
4x.
Yeah. Wonderful. You guys are excellent at factoring and algebra. This is wonderful. Okay. Now, let's say you say to yourself, "Oh man, I'm not as good as Luke at finding this stuff." This takes a little bit of practice and stuff. These are all sort of the same. Hopefully, we're all good at getting to this because we've done tons of these in this course up to this stage. And then this is sort of the new part, was the bottom 2 lines. Okay. Yeah.
So you don't throw your shoe for one.
What?
Not throwing
No,
your shoe
not.
for one.
Well, we'll see what example 4 does.
Oh no.
There's an example 4.
There's an example 5 if there's time.
Not.
I'm gonna write the homework on the board here just in case, and I'll do the last one. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I choice.
Yeah, I'll take any choice times and stuff you have still. I still need 2, I think, is what I need. The homework is page 113, number 2, 3, and 10. Example 4, which is going to be the last one. Oh boy, here's the goodie. We'll do this one as a class, I think, just for the sake of time. Example, oh, come on. 7x squared plus 2, 2x plus 3 equals 2. 3x squared minus 4 equals 13x. Oops, sorry, plus 13x. A little too excited here. All right, this is like a math teacher's dream come true, this question, which means in exchange it's a student's nightmare, all right? This question is awesome. I'm going to talk you through what we have to do here. Let me read it out one more time for those in the back that can't see. 7x squared plus 2 bracket 2x plus 3 equals 2 bracket 3x minus 4 plus 13x. Okay, now this is the question that people freak out on and shoes get thrown and all that stuff. Okay? What were we going to do to solve this? Can I get a brave soul try and give me, like just in English, like not the actual math, in English what we have to do to solve this one? Okay, brave soul. Liam, go. Right. So we're going to want to eventually, we want equals 0. That's what we're going to want. Okay? Before that, we should probably expand all the brackets. And then we should probably factor and solve at the end. I'm probably going to do it something like this as far as the order. Okay, so number 1 is going to be expand all the brackets. Okay, then I'm going to move everything to the one side, and then I'm going to factor and solve. Well, how you feeling? Okay, this is a good question. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Okay, I'll give you one like this. This will be like on the difficult part of the test. Okay, this is like one of the more difficult questions to do. You'll have to do this. If you're saying to yourself, my name's Kim and I'm an algebra pro, then this will not be difficult for her. But this will be on like, you know what I mean, the challenging. This will be like a problem solving question for sure. Okay, what are we up to? Marissa, can you please be brave and get rid of this bracket for me? This will be the first thing. Go ahead. The left hand side. 7x squared plus. Yeah. Good. Equals. Keep going. We'll get rid of this one too. Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. Kill, do you want to try this or take a pass?
Try what?
So moving everything to the left. No, I know. Okay. No, you're up. We'll move everything to the left. Go ahead.
X squared.
Oh goodness. Unless I'm leaving a blank line. I'm leaving a blank line. Because I'm going to show how we got this. Go ahead. X squared. Okay, good. Okay, plus 14. Now, hold on. If you're saying to yourself, Mr. Sadler, okay, that's amazing. He can play games on his phone and he still knows everything about math. It's good. Okay. Let's show you how he did that exactly. What he did was he had a 7x squared, then he just did minus 6x squared. Okay. Then he did plus 4x minus 13x.
Wow, that's a good.
Plus 6 plus 8 equals 0. Okay, so everyone see that? Everything on the right flips signs and moves across.
Would it be 12 plus 14?
No, 6 and 8, right? 6 plus 8, 14.
Oh, no, in one step.
And you don't have to in one step. Again. If you can go from here and here in one step, that's fine. But most human beings will have to show the in-between work, okay? All right, and the reason you know if you screwed up is if you can't factor it, because right now we don't know anything about the quadratic formula, and these questions will work, so things don't work. All right, Sage, you're up. I have x squared minus 9x minus 14 equals 0. I'll rewrite it here. How do you solve this? Good. Multiply to 14, add to negative 9. Sage, what are those two numbers, please? Go ahead.
7 and negative.
Okay, they both have to be negative. Very good. They both have to be negative, right? Because they're adding to get to be a negative. Okay, Liam, can you give me the next line, please? Go ahead.
X squared.
Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
X. Minus 7x.
Yeah.
Plus 14. 0.
Good. All right, Connor, go ahead. Next step.
Do x bracket negative 2.
Yeah.
And negative 7.
Yeah.
Times x.
Yeah, exactly. Now, again, I like what you did there, right? Because the brackets have to be the same. Ah! Okay, there we go. So we'll do your homework. Please remember the homework, page 113, 2, 3, and 10. We'll do one of these to start tomorrow because this will be on the test. Like I said, one of these ones will be on the test. Let's do one of the more difficult ones. Okay, but you guys should all take it from there, no problem. I would hope. What's that? Or it's over there, yes.